How to use Gemini AI for a resume. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Gemini AI for a resume. Now, AI on Google search powered by Gemini family of model can help refine, tailor, and optimize resume as well. So the main method involves giving specific prompt along with the relevant text such as current resume or job description to get the targeted feedback and content suggestion as well. Now, if you want to get started, you want to go to the gemini.google.com and log in. Now you could go and copy and paste the current, or you could then start a new chat, right? After which you need to provide a context. Then you just want to copy and paste the current resume and the job description being the target into the chat interface. Then tell AI on Google search exactly what to do for example, rewrite, summarize, or critique. So I'm just gonna type in, so let's see, this is the one. After which you just need to go ahead and type in the prompt, and here you can see the information. So basically you could go ahead and refine it by typing in or suggesting it what to be added. And this way you could go ahead and create a resume or use Gemini AI for a resume help. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.